Hello all, welcome to Program Elective Object-Oriented Programming Overview. Agenda of today's session is introduction about object-oriented programming, benefits of object-oriented programming, why to study object-oriented programming, uh, what are the object-oriented programming languages are available nowadays, then finally we see the applications of object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is programming paradigm that uses objects and their interaction to design application. In object-oriented programming, we have to write instead of program, we have to write the class. And class is divided into two parts: data field and methods. And from that class, we have to create the objects, or we can say runtime entities. So it simplifies the software development and maintenance by providing some concepts or features like objects, classes, data abstraction, data encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, dynamic binding, message passing. These are the main features of object-oriented programming language. And these features provide so many benefits. So what are the benefits of object-oriented programming language? So we can build program from the standard working module. So no need of writing code from the scratch. Data hiding is possible. It is easy to partition the work in a project based on objects. So complete project you can partition into the small objects. Object oriented system can be easily upgraded from small to large system. Message passing techniques is available in object oriented programming concept in which objects can communicate with each other. Software complexity can be easily managed. Many modern programming languages nowadays supports object-oriented programming, and it is easy to program real-time entities by using object-oriented programming language. Why to study object-oriented programming language? It saves development time by reducing code. Once an object class is created, it can be used in other application also. It is easier for debugging. Classes can be tested independently, and also we can reuse the objects which already designed or tested. And there are so many features or benefits available in object-oriented programming language if you compare with the other procedure-oriented programming language. So there are two types of object-oriented programming language, pure and hybrid. In pure, without class you cannot write the program. In hybrid-oriented programming language, without class also you can write the programs like a C++, Object-C, Object Pascal, System Verilog. These are the hybrid object-oriented programming language. System Verilog nowadays used for design and verification for verification in VLSI field, which is used in hardware design and verification. And these are the applications of object-oriented programming. So this object-oriented programming concept can be used in an AI and machine learning development, software development, GUI development, game development, mobile app development, web development, database systems, AI, ML, and there are so many other applications of object-oriented programming language. So these features we have to study in detail in class. So once you study all those features, you can easily come to know there are so many advantages if you compare these language features to procedure oriented programming languages. Thank you. See you in the class. Thank you.